Hello and welcome to Math 253, Calculus 3 here at Cañada College. We're doing checkpoint 2.11. In this checkpoint, they want us to sketch the point -2, 3, -1 in 3 dimensions. So let's first draw the 3-dimensional set of axes. We have an x, a y, and a z. We can imagine x is coming straight at us and y is going to the right and then z is going up. We tend to only draw the positive parts, but there are negative portions of these things if we extend these axes going in their opposite direction. So in this point, or in this problem, they want us to take a look at the point where x goes in the -2 direction. So we can imagine going backwards 1, 2, and I'm drawing the tick marks kind of parallel to the y-axis, imagining that it's all on the xy plane. The z, or the y value, is +3. That's 1, that's 2, that's 3. And what we can think about is if we have a couple of parallel lines that get us to this point on the xy plane, and we're pretending that's still on the xy plane, this would be the point -2, 3, 0. And then if we want to label these points as well, this is 0, 3, 0. And then this one over here is -2, 0, 0. All right, so we have these points. Now let's incorporate the z, and the z goes down -1. And so we imagine these things going down -1. Now it looks obscure because the y-axis looks like it's in the way, but if we imagine, let's draw the y a little bit farther out. So that the y extends out this way. We still need to see what's happening in that third component where this thing drops. And what we can do, and people generally do, is they draw a box. And so you can see that point. We can think about that point as being behind the y-axis because it's behind the z. Labeling this point here, this is the point 0, 0, -1. And between the 3 points -2, 0, 0, 0, 3, 0, and 0, 0, -1, we can kind of see a box being defined here. And this point, which again should be seen as a point behind the y-axis, is the point that we're looking for, -2, +3, -1. Okay, so that's one way to visualize this. If you have a graphing program, you can plot this point, and then most graphing programs now, you can actually spin the graph around so you can see this from different points of view. Okay, so that's our sketching the point in 3 dimensions. I hope that helps.